Hey everyone, welcome back to Shop Life. It is almost the end of the day, but we're just getting started. We've been working all day. It's really hot right now. I think these are gonna be the two hottest days, and then we should be cooling down finally. But anyways, we've got this X5M back with us again. We've done a lot of stuff on here. We've lowered it on springs. We've done a lot of other things as well. But today we're actually gonna be installing coilovers. So right now it's just lowered on, I believe, H&R springs, and it's still got all the factory struts. The rear air spring and the rear shocks as well are also stock. But the main reason he lowered it like that, just to see if he was gonna be comfortable with that height and everything, and he is. So now we're gonna finally put KW V3 coilovers all around the car, and hopefully everything goes well. Everything should go pretty smooth. We'll replace anything that needs to be replaced as far as anything that's worn. But as far as lowering it, I think we're gonna stick at this same height. We're not really like slamming the SUV or anything like that. We're just trying to make it so it's a little bit more sporty of a stance. But anyways, let's get to it. So I know I haven't been vlogging much, but we've been working on this X5M. We're changing out the downpipes, headers, catalytic converters. We're just decatting it pretty much. It is a 2011 X5M. These headers, or downpipes as you would call it, are from RM Motors. I think these were like $500 for both of them. And so far I've taken all this off to get to these headers. The turbos are right in the top, right on top of the engine. So you just pretty much have to remove all the covers, all the brackets, remove the part of the exhaust from underneath, and then you can get these out. These are just held in with the V-band clamp straight to the turbo, and then you have a little flange on the bottom. With it being the X5, it is a lot more space because it's a bigger car, obviously. But yeah, we got them out. Here are the ones that are gonna go in, and I'm just double checking, make sure the fitment and everything is right. We are gonna wrap these headers with a header wrap, heat wrap, the one that's made out of Kevlar, I believe. So we'll wrap those up. First I'm gonna test fit it, make sure everything fits, and then we should be good to go. Alright, so I just finished installing the downpipes, put everything else back together, all the heat shields and everything. I went ahead and put this airbox on for now. Obviously all the other covers are not on. We're also going to change all those vacuum lines out. But I just want to make sure there's no exhaust leaks and everything else is okay. So I'm about to turn it on and see how it sounds and make sure everything is good. So it sounds good, no exhaust leaks. I didn't really let it warm up all the way because of that header wrap that we've installed. It's gonna smoke a little bit, and also I don't want to get too hot because I still have to do some work on it. But there's no exhaust leak. That's the main thing I wanted to confirm. Now we'll change out all those vacuum lines, put the lower degree thermostats for the oil cooler and the coolant itself, and then this car is good to go. I think we're also gonna put a tune on it, obviously, to get rid of the rear O2 sensors. I went ahead and plugged those in just for now, but we're just gonna tune them out. Besides that, there's not much else that this car needs. Obviously, once all those vacuum lines are replaced, then nothing should blow off, even with the new tune. So, sounds good though.
No beamer when I pull in the sun. Change on me just like Polo the Don. Don't be fronting, girl, you know I'm the one. Number 2 is not an option, and they know they can't stop me. Take off, I can't take no breaks off.